everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another haul of really mini haul. Usually I would not do a haul on YouTube about it, but it's the BOOHOO haul. It's the first time I'm trying them out and testing out more Petite sections and see if it fits and are good for Petite, so I can let you guys know if it's worth buying or not. First time I'm shopping from BOOHOO. I wanted to give you this first impression for you and on YouTube, like an actual normal video, and trying on, giving you all the details. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I have my order here. I packed it all out and I just want to look how it is. One of the fashion essentials for spring and fall time are leather leggings. That's what I have always thought. Well, not probably always, but for the last 5 years. I have leather pants. I don't have like actual legging which are like a really fit on my legs. And as they have Petite section, I thought I'm going to give it a try and try leather leggings and see if fit for Petite, if they're too long or too short. It's written here, right here on the package that it is for Petite. It was 15 euros, so it was not really expensive. These are high-waist basic wet look leggings. Has M size or 38 sizing, black, looks like this. I'm going, the sewing and stitches right now feels good, it looks good. Definitely going to try it on and then give you like an actual full review. They do look kind of short, which like good thing. I mean, like they could be petite, but we are going to see that afterwards. And then the actual main product, that it's the reason why I was actually ordering from BOOHOO. I was looking in so many pages. This item I'm searching for 2 years. I kid you not. 2 years searching, and I thought either I buy it now on Black Friday or I just keep quiet and don't. These are over the knee boots, which is funny because at the moment I ordered over the knee boots, I think next day or something, I got the message from one really cute small petite brand that they told me they want to send me their over the knee boots, which I'm excited to try out as well. While I'm editing, I already received those new boots, and I actually, as a fun idea, thought I'm going to compare both boots from BOOHOO and the ones I received, because I have a full like review and idea about the BOOHOO boots, and I thought it would be fun to give you like actual full review and compare those two and tell you which one I like best. That's already filmed. I'm going to edit that one and upload it. Subscribe and like to not miss out on the new ones. Hit the like notification bell as well. And I also have really fun styling reel ideas. Follow my social media for that. The one reason why I haven't ordered over the knee boots for 2 years is because in real life I didn't find anywhere. And I want to really have a good quality boots. And these looked just like that. Plus my leg is kind of wide, plus obviously petite, and boots on BOOHOO wasn't for petite. I was just really checking all boots they had, and that looked, they could be a little bit shorter than the rest of them and still looking cute. I want to also be comfortable. I don't want really like a heel ones. Steve Madden ones are really for tiny leg and for really long leg. Like those are just made for models, unfortunately, which I have actually sent a message and said that if you ever make for petites, I'm going to purchase them and promote for all my petite ladies. But they saw the message and didn't respond to me, so there's that. This is the boot. It's actually looking really cute. The heel doesn't look too high. It has a nice platform, which I actually really like, especially that here it can be sometimes really rainy, so it like kind of a little bit protects the suede kind of material. It has zipper. I don't like the ones which are totally like only sock kind. I love that it has some zipper. And I also love, I don't know, I think it looks really flattering when the front side's a little bit like up, like squarish kind of a little bit. I don't know if you know what I mean. I used to have like ankle boots, which were my all-time favorite. I wore them all the time and they look really flattering just because this part was like a little bit more like square. Right now it feels kind of good quality. We'll see obviously how it works. These are the boots and obviously now we should try them on. I wanted to give you actual details about the boots. So boots I bought for 37.50 euros on their Black Friday sale. I will post both products down below obviously. It shows now that it is $72, so that means that they actually do cost more than I bought them. And even now they have like 20% off. Usually they are $90. I wanted to give you the actual measurements. The heel height is 7.5 centimeters or 3 inches. Total height is 54 centimeters or 21.25 inches. I'm sorry if I'm mixing it up, we don't use inches here. 34 centimeters around the calf here, which is like 13 inches. And then if we talk about the length of this, which is 54. Most of the boots I was checking had at least 58. Some of them had even 64, and I'm like, okay, that will go up into my belly button or something. So without further ado, I'm going to try these on and let you know if they work or not. You are going to not see my face, but I'm here. Just so I can give you an actual like good view on pants while still giving my review and what I think and my opinion about this, okay? Also, I am really unconscious right now just because you can see everything. Usually I will put some longer blouse or shirt or hoodie or something on, but now I just want you to see really good how it looks like on. Obviously everything like you can see all the like kind of underwear and stuff. These kind of leggings, I don't expect anything else. I would wear it only with like a longer shirts and anything like that. First, about the fit size, I have M size. It fits good. It has this metallic like sheen to it. It is sheen, I think you say it in English. However, now let's review the reason why I bought it, that it's petite. And I have ordered leggings from Amazon which were petite, which were for sports. They were perfect sizing, perfect length. And from ASOS, which was again perfect. And I don't know if I have ordered some more, but those are the last ones I have had. This is disappointing. I hope you can see it. I'm going to zoom it in. I think it is pretty long. Guys, forget about it. I just looked at their website and they clearly stated how long these leggings are, and I found that they have, I think they look like the same leggings in 2 lengths. Found the other ones which are like shorter. The only thing I would suggest for them is to just put it as 1 leggings and then let you choose the length, because then I would actually measure myself or something and would know that there's a difference and that there are different lengths, because I have never seen the same leggings in different lengths usually. But I was just me being me. It's not that it's long 2 centimeters plus or 3 centimeters. It's like 5 at least. It's like really long. BOOHOO, I wanted to order jeans from them and all that stuff. Now I'm really scared. I hope boots will be better. Oh, Christine, and you too. You don't know what trouble the boots will bring you, but for that in the next video that I told you about, so hit that subscribe button. This is it for today's really mini haul. However, I'm really curious to see if you have ordered from BOOHOO, especially if you're petite. Let me know what you have ordered and what would you suggest to order from BOOHOO. Also, if there are some brands or web pages or stores that you want me to review and do a haul for you, comment down below, subscribe to support my small petite fashion channel, and see you guys next time. Bye!